Now, your ABC 7 First Alert weather forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
At 90-degree air temperature currently, we have a high dew point once again today at 75, and that brings us a feels-like temperature of a warm and muggy 100 already. We'll probably top it out a few degrees warmer than 90 before we start to see a little bit of cloud cover building, particularly in inland areas, and some showers around as well. Good chance of that. South-southeast wind comes in breezy at 13 at current conditions. 50% chance of showers. I'll give it by about 3 p.m. Now, most of that is going to be in inland areas, I think. Maybe a few of them might blow back toward the coastline, or you might get one develop toward the coast, but by far the heaviest of the rain is going to be in inland locations. Reduce it down to about 30% by 7 p.m. as the daytime heating starts to fade, and we'll look for about a 10 to 20% chance of an overnight shower or morning shower. So you can very clearly make out the southeast flow on our radar imagery here. You can also make out behind my shoulder here some very heavy rainfall once again for parts of the panhandle of the state. There's a trough low pressure extending really from the deep south all the way up to the northeast that is producing a potential for heavy rainfall, flooding rains, in fact. And the Atlanta airport may see some airport delays over the next day or two because of the showers and thunderstorms. Could even be some severe weather up there. So locally, things aren't terribly active right now. We still have some river warnings up, and by the way, I've posted information about that on our website, mysuncoast.com, as well as red tide and the red tide probability of drift further away from the coast with time, according to the university, to South Florida University. So you might want to check that out. It's some detailed information that we can't go into here, but it's on the web. Otherwise, these showers lifting up from the southeast provide us with that chance of rain, but they're just going to be standard rain showers, thunderstorms perhaps. No severe weather in the forecast for us today. You'd have to go into the darker greens to even get into the lowest level of potential for severe weather. So we're good. As far as the futurecast goes, we'll watch those showers build in inland areas as we head into the evening, and some of them becoming fairly heavy, and then as we head into the evening hours, we'll start to see them fade away. And tomorrow morning, probably have a few showers out in the Gulf waters once again. Rainfall futurecast continues to show totals mostly in inland areas in the vicinity of 2 inches and to points south where the moisture is a little bit thicker and deeper. Over the course of the next couple of days, we'll see a significant shift in the wind pattern as high pressure kind of reorients itself a little bit further to the north. We develop an easterly wind flow. That'll help push a few of the showers tomorrow closer to the coast, so coastal residents get a better chance of rain. And then eventually, it'll draw in some drier air and reduce our rain chances as we head into the weekend. East to southeast wind coming in overnight at about 10 knots. Otherwise, a south wind will be kind of continuous. But again, there'll be a few showers out there in Gulf waters. Rain chance 50% tomorrow with that easterly wind flow 60%. Drier air arrives for the weekend, reducing rain chance to 40%. And then as we head into next week, we'll up the rain chances once again.